getting nice and mellow in the bright moonlight.
Good morning, friends. I've just finished up polishing these handles on this vintage 1905 Larkin Chiffonier, what I would call a dresser. And I've just replaced all these handles after removing them, cleaning them. This dresser dates from 1905, by the way. It's really cool. So subscribe to this channel because I'll be restoring this dresser in the upcoming videos, beginning with this handles series. So they were in really bad shape. Check out how gunky they were here. And after soaking these, all the hardware here, in a solution of vinegar, white vinegar, baking soda, or any kind of vinegar, and salt for about an hour or so, and then hitting that with steel wool, scrubbing all around them with steel wool. You got to get in really aggressively with these handles. You got to put a little elbow grease into the steel wool. Also, the vinegar, the white vinegar, by the way, was really great. I had considerable mildew issues inside these drawers in particular on this dresser. And the white vinegar is really good at killing that mildew as opposed to bleach, which will damage the color of the wooden stuff, and it's a toxic chemical, whereas vinegar is non-toxic. So it really is good to have around for cleaning and also, you know, getting into deep scouring. You can also use it on scouring all kinds of stuff like coins as well. And then I hit those with the linseed oil rag afterwards just to prevent some oxidation on that metal. Now they're just really nice, clean, bare metal. The brass plating did come off. You can see on most of that, but if you're looking for a burnished handle, a burnished look, that's a pretty good way to do it. I mean, this almost has a pewter effect there. And be sure to subscribe to this channel because next thing I'm going to be doing in the upcoming video, I'm going to be gluing some areas that are just downright broken.
The moon man should discover sweethearts keeping undercover. Can you blame that girl and lover if they say turn off that light?